In this video, I'm going to show you how you can end a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So if you started a meeting in Microsoft Teams and it has come to an end, then what you need to do is to end the meeting. To do that, just head over on top here next to leave. We have a drop down and you can see this is in a meeting that is already running. So if you click on this drop down, now you'll have an option to end the meeting here. If you are just a guest, you are invited and you wish to leave the meeting, just choose leave. However, if you are the host, you are the one who started the meeting, then you can now put the meeting to an end by just clicking on end meeting. And by doing this, you will now have to confirm that indeed you want to end the meeting for everyone. Go ahead and confirm by clicking on end. So that's how you can end the meeting. Once you're done, you can also give a rating for this or just dismiss. So that's how you can end a meeting in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise,